Hi, Mom, Sir. I'm Marilu D. Pelicano. I'm from Manila, Philippines. I'm 45 years old. I'm married with 4 children. I'm ex-abroad. I worked in Hong Kong for 6 years, 2 years in Malaysia, 2 years in Dammam, and now I work here in Saudi Arabia for 7 months. I know how to clean the house properly. I know how to iron the clothes. I can take care of the children, and also I can take care of the elderly. And I know also how to cook Arabic food, madam, like masaga, magluba, biryani, chicken tajin, meat tajin, fettuccine pasta, salmon in the oven, chicken tray in the vegetables, and also I know how to cook some cucumber salata, duggus salata, and also I know how to make a mini pizza, patayer, and I'm willing to learn a lot if you will teach me. Thank you, madam.